Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this. So it is the Nintendo Switch 2. Comes with Mario Kart World. It says full game download. We'll have to check that out. Has this little, it's like a docking station. You can hook it up to a monitor, TV, what have you. I don't have a TV here, but I might hook it up to an external monitor just for kicks, just to check it out. But I'm really more interested in the handheld portion of this gaming unit. So let's go ahead and go unbox this. Gives us some setup instructions as you open up the box. Some plug-in, some charging, so forth. You can detach the joysticks. We'll check all that out here. Let's start with the joysticks here. And then the game unit. We'll take that out, put it off to the side. What's underneath here, I'm guessing, is the cabling, the docking station. We're going to kind of just space off the side here. And the power cable. And that looks like it. Oh, wait a minute. Looks like we have some, okay, so the cabling up to your TV or external monitor, and it looks like we've got some, these probably hook up to the joysticks. They're color coded the same color as the joysticks, so I'm sure that's what they're for. We're going to go ahead and get the power brick. I'm glad they don't seal these completely on both ends, so there's no ripping of the bag. This is the AC adapter, and if I had really good eyesight, I could see what the wattage is on that. I cannot tell, but maybe you can. This is the hookup to the joysticks. Okay, great. This is the docking station. We have two USB-A's. This is where the actual unit goes in. Go ahead and unbox the screen, the actual heart of the unit. Pretty nice. Looks like it's got some, that might be venting or speakers, but it's got a volume rocker, power button, USB-C, headphone jack, and this looks like an expansion slot for an SD card. Let's take a look here. Game card. Oh, game card. So this is for the actual game cards, which I got another game that goes with this called Star Wars Outlaws. So I'm guessing there's a card in there and I can push it into that. Okay. This probably goes into the docking station. And oh no, these are the joysticks. Okay. Joysticks on both sides. And then up above, you've got some speakers, USB-C, maybe some mics. There you go. And the same on the bottom. Except for the volume rocker and the power button. I'm curious to see what this is. Is that just a mic? What is that? Might be more another speaker. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and hook this up. And it's very much on the wrong side, so we're going to go ahead and this and do this. And this. And it is magnetically on there, and the only way to get it off is by pushing these buttons. Okay, and it's released. Very cool. Oh, and look at this. It has a stand on the back. I didn't notice that before. Very cool.